Hey guys, I'm about to do some lemongrass jerk pork. So you don't know the cleaning of our pork is a must. So yeah man, I eat that. Some lemon and thing. Yeah man, so you want now I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the lemon. I have the fresh lemongrass here with me. I'm going to show you how I make my lemongrass sauce to dash all about panda pork, yeah. Alright, so stay with me for this one. Booms. So our pork is all clean up, pot dry, nice and ready to get some season. Dash and pan it now guys. So this is our season. It's a lot, right? I know. But it's a lot of pork. Yeah man. So we'll go some bones and dash in all of that. Yeah. So guys, you don't know, after we put in all of that nice spicy seasoning and everything, you know we're going to need to massage that in. Yeah. So that's exactly what I am doing right here, right now. So here one now I'm going to show you the lemon sauce that I have made. Yeah man, my bad lemon sauce. Yes guys. So you don't know we are dealing with this jerk pork thing. Bilious. So here I'm going to dash in some of this lemongrass sauce and leave this to marinate for a couple hours or until we get hungry. And you don't know, overnight is best. So here stay tuned. So we are adding our lemongrass sauce to our pork. Yes guys, this one here go nice. You don't know the next thing going to come is that I'm gonna massage it in. Yeah, I'm gonna massage in this wonderful sauce that is kicking up a rumpus in my nose right now. Yeah, my nose is at no peace with this sauce. Oh God. And for all of you lemongrass lover out there, you know what I'm talking about, right? Alright, so we're going to go ahead and massage in this. Yup. So yes guys, we're putting on our pork on the grill. Yeah man, it's a good look. So after we put on our pork on the grill, here we're going to do now. We're going to put on, stash on some. We're not going to use any beer or any Heineken. This is our lemongrass. Yeah? We're going to stash it on the pork. So watch this now. Yes guys, our lemon jerk pork. Bad. Eat that. So this is our lemongrass jerk pork guys. So I'm going to dive in some of this right now as usual. Yeah, where are the pork lovers?